What's up, kids? Welcome to your English class. As you know, I am the teacher Orlando. I hope you really enjoyed your little vacations, because today we're returning, right? With a brand new lesson called Words that Work as a Noun and as a Verb, okay? But first, let me say hi to some of my students. From 20 students, let me say hi to Carlos Manuel, to Mia, let me say hi to Luis Rafael, and to Mariano. And from my JMMP students, I'm going to say hi to Luna Maite, to Adalberto, and also I'm saying hi to Daniela. If you want to hear your name in this section, you have to be the first of your group sending me this homework to my email. Alright? So, without further ado, let's go to the lesson. Antes de comenzar, recuerden que deben tener anotado estos tres datos: name, group y school. En name quiero ver su nombre completo, con todo y apellidos. En group, el grado en el que van y su grupo, ya sea A o B. Y en school, anoten por favor 20N si son de la 20 de noviembre o JMMP si son de la José María Morelos y Pavón. Great! Today is Thursday 15, the month is April, and the year is 2021. Today's verb is going to be to wait, which means esperar. And today's lesson is going to be words that are nouns and verbs.
Alright, kids. Well, since this class was recorded before, I totally forgot to mention something, okay? So before we start, I'm going to explain how I want this class to be made, okay? Well, by the way, I'm going to use as example the first word that I'm going to give you, okay? So we have this word that in a moment you are going to see its meaning, but you are going to write down these parts, okay? And in this part, you are going to write down its meaning as a noun, which is, alright, and as a verb is, okay. However, in the video, you are going to notice that I'm not going to write down these parts in each word, okay? So you have to pay close attention to the subtitles, okay? You are going to see these meanings on the subtitles, and those are going to be words in quotation marks, alright? If you see a word that has quotation marks, those are going to be the answers that you are going to write down in these parts, okay?
And right here I'm going to draw something, so please draw it, or even if it's not a draw, okay, because I'm going to use different things, okay? Great. Word number 1, bear. Yeah, I know that you know that word and its meaning as a noun. And let me show you what a bear is if you have any doubts. Let me introduce you to one of my favorite toys. Yes, a bear. With his red t-shirt. It's like a character from an old fighting video game called Tekken. Bear. Okay? This is as a noun. But as a verb, it's not a very common verb, okay? As a verb is soportar o cargar, okay? Take a look at the example and please write this also down, okay? The truck can bear 2 tons, which means el camión puede soportar 2 toneladas, okay? Number 1, bear. Okay, number 2, sign. Sign. Be careful during writing this word because it's S-I-G-N. If you write something like this, it says sing, which means cantar. Okay. Sang. Okay. As I said, okay, many times. As a noun, it's not like stop. It's una señal, señalamiento. Like in this case, it says stop, pare, or alto. There can be many types, many kinds of signs. That, for example, the ones that tell you your maximum speed, or the ones that tell you, I don't know, that indicate something, crossing, school, things like that. Sign. But look how different its meaning as a verb is. You have to sign the list. In this case, sign means firmar. Tú tienes que firmar la lista. Sign. You can also see this word when you want to enter to a social network or you want to check your email. It says sign up. And in case of the internet, you need to write down your email. But in this case, sign is firmar. Okay, number 3 is cross. Okay, cross. As a noun, is the subject. Cross. Yeah, it sounds almost the same as Spanish. Okay, and also its meaning as a verb is like the one in Spanish. Cross the river, cruzar el río. That was an easy one, right? As a verb, cruzar. As a noun, cruz. Number 4, season. Do you remember these drawings? We use them when we are talking about seasons of the year. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Season. That in Spanish means, some people say temporada or estaciones. Season. But as a verb, nothing to do with the previous meaning. Season is sazonar. Sazonar la carne. Season the meat. Number 5. Number 5. Water. Again. Well, yeah. We already saw that word in their both meanings. I don't know if you don't remember, but as a noun, what is water? I don't remember. But trust me, I already showed you the answer. And as a verb, you know what? I want you to please write deal. That's a deal. Okay, as a noun, deal is not two hands about to shake. Okay, it means trato. When you're doing a deal, one of the most common things to do is to shake hands. Not on these days, by the way, because you know, COVID-19, something like that. And as a verb, deal the cards. Deal is repartir. Deal the cards, repartir las cartas. Also remember that cards also means tarjetas. But when you are playing Uno, for example, you deal the cards, las cartas. Okay? And as a noun, trato. Sorry, I realized that was number 6, not number 5. I forgot to erase number 5. So let's continue with number 7. Watch. That's number 7. Watch. As a noun, watch is this thing. Watch. Okay? And more specifically, this kind of reloj, because it's not the one that is placed on the wall. It's exactly this one, the one we use in our wrist, okay? Watch. And as a verb, it's something like mirar, observar, o ver. You can watch the TV. In the example, it says watch the sign. Ver o mirar ese señalamiento. Remember that sign means señal, señalamiento. And as a noun, reloj, de muñeca. Number 8. Number 8 is one of the most bizarre drawings I've made. But let me explain it. This is a table, and these two circles are coins, okay? This one it says 10, the other one it says 1. Coins. And you left this amount of money, or depending on the things you consume, you ate. You left this money on the table when you go to a restaurant, okay? Which means that tip is propina, okay? And as a verb, it means inclinar. It says you need to tip the jar. Necesitas inclinar la jarra. Now I'm kind of dark, and now I'm very clear. Anyway, okay. Tip, inclinar as a verb. And as a noun, propina. Number 9. It says die. What a die is. I don't use die very often. I have only a few. But this is my favorite die. Okay. So I guess that die means corbata. And as a verb, take a look at the verb. Kind of weird. Because it says tie, the tie. This tie means corbata. This one. And the previous one is the verb, which in this case means anudar or atar. So it says anudar la corbata or atar la corbata. It sounds weird in English because it says tie the tie. But yeah, you can say that. Okay, and finally, circle. Yeah, that's number 10. And I'm sure that you remember this word when we are reading on your books. Okay, as a noun, círculo. As a verb, rodear o encerrar. Encerrar la respuesta correcta. And that's it. Those were the 10 words that I want to teach you. I wanted to show you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And nos vemos el jueves. Goodbye, kids.
Niños, soy Bob Esponja. Su teacher Orlando me pidió que les mandara muchos saludos. Díganme que les siga haciendo mi dibujo y si sacan 10, les invitaré una cangreburger. Los quiero mucho, amigos. Adiós.